Guys, what's up? Big Benny Boy 27 here, and today we are doing a talent show with these two beautiful Gorilla Tag players. Okay. Okay.
Is that good?
Do you guys have anything to say to the viewers?
Subscribe to her, or you guess you.
Okay. So today we are going to be doing a talent show. You each get three attempts.
Alright, there you go. There you go.
Okay, who wants to go first? You, Grimace?
You can go
I'll do
first.
eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a
Start with
tiger.
me. Start with me. Wait. Start with me.
Okay, Grimace?
Oh, go down.
Okay, you get to do 3 talents in any map.
Okay. So, follow me.
Okay. Caves?
Okay. Can you please tag me?
Tag you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tag me.
You're down in the pit, aren't you?
I'm not stopped.
Oh, you're at stump?
Yeah.
Oh, let me just come.
We're here. Where are you? Hello? Where are you?
I accidentally went into caves. Thought I saw you go into there. I'm just coming up though.
Here, I'm right here. Tag me. Tag White. Tag Grimace. 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 Blue. I think Blue's dead.
I'm dead.
So, can you go into the other side of the map? That corner over there? Can you go to that corner over there?
That corner? Okay. Did Blue disconnect?
No, he didn't. Okay, you ready?
Yep. Let's see his first talent.
Ready?
Yep,
Yeah.
we're ready for your talent.
Wait. Okay.
So, basically you're like a seal? You're pretty fast. Nice. Okay, I would rate that, I'd say an 8 out of 10, so you have 8 points. Now, Blue, it's your turn.
It was my mod. What? Take it off.
What is your talent you're gonna do?
I'm burning. So fast. But I'm faster. What are you doing? What's he doing? Oh, he's gonna really fast. What the heck? I think I can do that too. I didn't. Michael Jackson. No, this is how you do it. This is how you do it. Michael Jackson.
I'd give that a 6 out of 10, or maybe a 4.
Okay, my turn.
4.5 out of 10.
You guys
So you have,
get tagged for this. I'm gonna do this.
that's a 4.5.
Okay, wait. I need to get up to there.
Up there? Okay.
Okay. I hope TTT Pig doesn't see this, but hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm TTT Pig. I'm about to show you a long jump. Oh. It's too easy, y'all.
That was actually pretty good. Wait, I can't even reach that.
Okay, wait. I want to try. If I can't, guys, you can comment down below if I suck or not. You can say that I suck, dislike this video if I don't make it. Okay?
Okay.
Dislike this video, okay? Oh shoot, wait, hold up. Oh, there? I'm gonna that way, okay. I'm gonna try from right here. Okay, ready?
Okay.
3, 2. Oh, frick.
Ooh.
Okay. Blue's turn.
We gotta ask Doug the Bug now. See what that score is. Oh, don't know who this. Okay, I've got Doug the Bug.
You guys have to dislike on this video.
Bro. Okay, Doug, what should we say? He didn't make both of the jumps, but he made one of them. I'd give that a 4.
What? A 4? Why?
You didn't make both jumps.
But I made the TTP pig jump.
I know, that's why I gave you a
Here,
little bit of points.
What if I make it right now?
Okay. You can get a retry, I guess.
Get out. Wait, that was it. Boom. Wait. Booyah.
Right. Here, take Doug the Bug, and he'll tell you what the score is. Yo, give me Doug the Bug, and he'll tell you what the score is.
I'll talk to him personally. What is the score?
4.
He said a 9 out of 10.
4.
He said a 9 out of 10.
You get a 4, sorry. Okay, now, Mr. Fox, it's your turn. So you have 9 points, White, and you have 4.5, okay? Mr. Fox? What's Mr. Fox gonna do? Don't know, Dr. Bug.
I just farted.
One more try? One more try? Okay.
Wait, is it my turn?
Ah, just barely.
Is it my turn?
Almost.
Yeah.
I don't know what Mr. Fox did yet.
Is it my turn? Hey, Mr. Fox, is it my turn?
No, he still needs to do his thing. He gets one retry just like you. No, he still needs to do it. He's gonna try to land on the slide from here. Oh.
Are you done?
Mr. Fox, say if you're done or not. Oh no, he's wall climbing. Mr. Fox, are you done?
He's showing you his route. It's probably gonna take forever.
Woo, he's pretty good.
Absolutely sucks at the game.
Not bad. I'd give it a 5 out of 10. So you have 9.5, okay? Mr. Fox? In total.
Okay, I want to show you something. Look,
Okay, wait,
come
it's your
right here.
turn.
Are you ready? 3, 3, 2, 1. One we try. Okay, wait. Oh, that's why I wasn't on. Okay, you ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Wait, I'm not done. Yeah. Oh, okay, I'm done.
Okay. So I'd give that maybe like a 8 out of 10. So you have 9 plus 8. That would equal
Do the freaking math.
17. Okay, now Cyan, it's your turn. And this is the last turn
17.
of the talent show.
17?
How many
17? What do you mean 17?
That's how many points you have, White,
Look.
in total.
8 plus 9. Right? 8 plus
Yep.
9. That's... So I should have 18 points.
18?
Oh, wait, no, yeah, I see. Yeah, you did it right.
That's 9 plus 9. Where did Cyan go?
Oh, I'm the best. Okay, wait.
Cyan, where are you?
After him again?
No, this is the last round. You have
Okay,
18
one
points,
more.
17 points in total.
Okay, wait. Tag me.
Where's Cyan, though? Cyan, come to Stomp.
Okay, he left.
No, he didn't.
Yo, he's in canyons. Are you in here? Yeah, you're in here. Oh,
There he is. Oh, are you gonna do that glitch?
no. They look like more like lighter. I haven't been in here way lighter. Okay, he's doing it. Oh. Goes onto that branch. Rope. Onto that one.
You get a retry.
Retry.
I only have one more because you didn't make that jump.
Frick.
What'd you do, White?
Over here.
Okay, this is what you're gonna do. Is he gonna do that?
Oh. I'm cracked on Fortnite. Crap. Hey guys, welcome back to Fortnite Battle Royale. Today we're gonna be busting the kids' minds. That on Guys, have you ever heard of the mod flight deck? I can show you.
The what?
Have you ever heard of the mod flight deck?
Mm-mm.
I'll show
Nope.
you. Get on the road. Okay, I did it wrong. You gotta. No, I do it. This is my mod. Look, so you gotta go like this, and then now you try to swing on it, right? And then you. You're supposed to fly in the air whenever someone swings on it. Or you could just go like.
Where did Cyan go, though?
Ow, frick.
Oh, he's down there.
Up my butt. Oh, you look. He's right there.
Okay.
Hey, I've been three turns. Hey, it's done. We're
He's
done.
gotta get an effort. Come on.
Oh my god! He sucks.
You know, that's not very nice, by the way, bro.
I'm joking, bro.
Yeah,
I
sure.
can get the stupid turn from you.
Oh, a different map? Okay. Just gotta think it through? Okay. Makes sense.
What dumbasses.
No, he's going back. Oh? Oh, actually, he's pretty fast.
I never see people. Nope.
Not bad. Let me think. I'd give that, I'd give that a 7 out of 10.
The other guy left.
Oh, well, you win, because, 7, and you have 5, you have a half 5 left.
Okay. You wanna go
Okay, well, let's go to the window now.
Pink.
Yeah?
Want to join a public with me? Pink.
Yeah?
Want to join a public?
Wait, I'll turn on my volume.
Go to a public one.
Oh, okay. Well, do you want to do the outro at least? So guys, that is going to be all for today. And I'll see you in the next video. Also, if you're wondering where the white guy went, he left. And I'll see you in the next video.